Hey guys, it's Tika, and today we'll be talking about my Zeus, and this show is called the Theticadee, the Tika and Tiki D, and yeah, we'll be talking about my dog Zeus. Okay, here we go. My dog Zeus, he was a bulldog, and his name is Zeus, and he died. He was 11 years old, and when it was Wednesday, I was going to the backyard because I was waiting for my bus. And then I saw my dog lying on the couch outside. And then, I was like, Zeus? Zeus! I was like trying to move him, but it was sad. I couldn't forget him. I was so scared because he was dead. And then, we buried him in my grandma's backyard, and then, I really missed him. And when he was so small, he would just bark. Like, he was my favorite dog. He was my perfect dog. And then, and so he died, and we have to bury him. And I was on a swing, and I was crying in my mom's jacket because I hate to see the way we bury him. And I will have a flower, and I gave it to him. And then, it was so sad. And now, all I had was giving him a letter that we will miss him so much, and we hope that he will take good care up there. Yeah, make sure you give this a video a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below, and I'll see you next time.